Good morning, guys. Today I will discuss with VLOOKUP. Why are used VLOOKUP and what is the benefit of VLOOKUP? Okay, in Excel. VLOOKUP is a very important in Excel. If you have large amount of data, but you want to find a particular data, like same scenario, I have only 20 records as per your raw data means you are bulk of data but you find some specific data like 2 id 3 id 4 id I have million of records particulars like employee id name sales locations and bonus this employee id you want to find the records all columns as per your need like name salary location bonus then you can find against particular employee id this is your source data and you want to data like here employee id name cell location bonus particular employee here is around 9 or 10 employees. So how will you fetch the records? If you copy and find and paste here one by one all records, then taking more times, and also maybe you are not maybe wrong copy and paste. Then if you know about VLOOKUP, then you can fetch data in only 1 minute. You have lot of data, but you want to fetch this information against this employee ID, then you can fetch 1 minute, less than 1 minute, all records, and a lot of way, and output will become same. Like here, you are explaining normal VLOOKUPs and a VLOOKUP with match and VLOOKUP with array function. Like you have lot of columns, but you want particular columns, then you can indicate with columns names and numbers. And here is a very advanced formula in index match. Okay, so today we are explaining this formula. Like you have this raw data and you want to output here. Now I am removing this data. Okay, like you have employee ID and you want to fetch the data sales location bonus. Then how if you find the ID and then paste here and then go back and then come back, then taking more time, then you can use VLOOKUP. First press equal to and then press VLOOKUP. After VLOOKUP, you are able to see this is VLOOKUP syntax. Lookup value and table array and column index and a range of lookup. Lookup value of this. You can select this lookup value and then you are able to see table array. Table array means collection of data, collection of records. Your collection of records means here store raw data. You can select here. This is your collection of records. You can press comma. After that, you are able to see column index. Which column you want to fetch the data. So I have A columns, B columns, C columns, D columns, E columns. You want to fetch from B columns means 2 column. Column number is 2. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 columns. I want to fetch data from names. Then you can put here 2, 0, and then you are able to see name, and then you can select and then press Ctrl R, and then you are able to see data. And if you want to go data in right side, then you can select D and Ctrl press D. This is a normal VLOOKUP. This is the right information we fetch in less than 1 minute. Large amount of data. The VLOOKUP is very important. And another way, just I am removing all formula. Now you are able to see blank. And then you can press VLOOKUP and then you select this and then asking about table array. Okay, table array is your this. Table array is this. Then press match. What do you want to match? I want to match. I want to match this. You can select this and press comma, and then you select the range. After you can press F4 button and then press 0. Then enter. Then you are able to see the bonus sales. Bonus sales all control R and control D. You have only able to see bonus, right? Rest value are not able to see, right? Rest value you are not able to see. Why? Why you're not able to see rest value? Because formula here having fridge, rest value is not doing properly. Then you can check and same like remove this and again equal to VLOOKUP and then lookup value. Lookup value or this, okay, and then table array. Your table array is this in raw data sheet. You can select here and then press F4 button and then again match, and after that you will select the this F4 comma lookup array. Your lookup array is this and F4 comma 0 and then press enter. Now you are able to see bonus control R and sales control D, and you are able to see all information. Okay, and another way same output will be come in different way. VLOOKUP plus array function. This is a very advantage advantage of this function, like a you have lot of column but you want to particular column fetch the data, then you can indicate like I have indicated here 2 3 5, and after that you can now I am removing the data and again explaining with you VLOOKUP and this and table array. Your table array is this, okay, and then put comma and open the brackets and which column you want to fetch the data. You want to your column name 2 comma 3 comma 5, 2 3 5, 2 3 4 5 4 5, and then bracket close and then put 0 and then enter. You are able to see name and then you can select here and press F2 button and then press Control Shift Enter key. Then you are able to see all information, right? Without Control Shift Enter you can't do this formula. Then you can select and press Control D, guys. You are able to see all information. You can check the randomly this right or wrong, like this employee ID, and you can go in this this is your main data, and you can find like this, and you are able to see first admins and sales are Accra and bonus 3329, 3329, right? cells means this one is a second column and third column, and bonus, your bonus is which column? Your bonus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 column means you have selected wrong area here, so you need to change here, but you can't change when you put the array function, you can't change anything. Okay, this is a disadvantage. You need to change all formula. VLOOKUP, then you can select this your lookup value, and then your table array. Your table array is raw data in sheet raw data, and you can select the starting data this, comma, open 2, 3, 5, bracket close, 0, press enter. You are able to see name, and then you can press F4, F2 button, and then press Control Shift Enter, and then Control D. Okay, guys. So now I have explained with you normal VLOOKUPs and VLOOKUP with match and VLOOKUP with array. And next session I will explain you index match with VLOOKUP. Okay, thank you.